Hello, you're welcome once more to Just the Chat. We are giving out our weekly analysis on some index, which are giving us some great signals already. This is Volatility 25 index, and I'm here to give you an analysis of we should be expecting from next week, what should be happening on next week from Volatility 25 index, and as you're currently seeing, the week has almost ended, and we're expecting this candle to close just as it is now as a shooting star. If this candle closes like this, you should be expecting a continuous sell. As you can see here, this is our weekly chart. Previously, the last weekly chart it created a very bearish trend. Then when it got here, it reversed up. This reverse was a what? It was a very clear fake out, and this fake out was creating something on other little time frames such as the 1 hour, 4 and hour 1. We're going to go on that, but first of all, as you can see here, this is uh, a freakish or a slim sheet emo point or emo pattern about to create. So if you are going to this trade, you should wait for this candle to close. Then you should wait. If you wait for the candle to close, then you enter your trade from here, a set trade. Advising you, if you are not having a good capital, don't go into this trade. Volatility 25 index is volatile. It's very volatile. Just as a step index 50, 75, another index. Some are very less volatile, but 25 index is volatile. Yeah, so you should have a good capital and then a proper money management. Don't risk more than 2% of your account. This trading is personal. We are not trading for competition. It is your money. You are not expected to lose your capital. That is not very good trading skills. So let's go to some like our daily time frame. So you can see the one here. The one is very bearish. Okay. Okay, you're welcome back. This is our day one chart, as you can currently see. Uh, the fake out. This was the fake out here. The fake out is returned back here after creating this on the weekly time frame. It went down here. There ought to be a retest of here, then a continuation, but there was fake out that yeah is going to continue buying. This fake out took a lot of people out of their buy position. As you can see, the sell is still very active. It created a emo pattern here. We ought to receive a retest here. It gave us a retest, but when it got here, it couldn't continue. It went back to give us. This was fake out. This MO here is a fake out, and it has shown us that yes, it's going to continue selling. We were once in this trade, but it took us at our break even. We went out with some profit, but our target was very down below. It didn't get to that point because most of our trade are swing trade, so it took us out at our break even, and we went out with some profit. And what you should be expecting for this, a day one candle already is giving us a shooting star already. This is our daily chart. It is giving us a shooting star. And what is the other reason why you should take this trade? Let's check if there's any trend line. Okay. um okay, let's see if we are having okay. Okay, this is our daily trend line. As you can see, the trend line here, it has not been able. You can see when it got here, it returned back up to create an emo pattern. So, if you are having a very low capital, you should wait for this candle to close below this point, or you should wait for you are going to wait for some daily candle to close below this point. Then you are going to take your trade. You wait for a breakout here, a retest at this neckline, then take a trade. But if you're having a good capital, you can go in here now. But we are going to take a trade now from this point. We are taking a trade here now. Okay, our trade is currently going to take from here. Okay, a minute. Let me take a trade. Okay, as you can see here, we have we have taken a set trade already. As you can see, this is a very good trade. If it hits our take profit, we are going at it with some massive profit. Why if it take us out as a stop loss, we're going to be going out to just 1% of our capital, or for we are risking just 1% of our capital on this trade. So if you want to take this trade, you should follow your analysis or follow what I've given you, and follow your strategy to go into this. This is just for our strategy, what we've been using for years. So we know no one is 100% sure. We predict the market according to what we have been using for years. So let's go down to our 4 now. Okay, waiting. Okay, this is our 4. Um, this is our 4. You can see the MO pattern is very clear. So we are expecting a continuous set down from here. Let's go down to our 1. This is the last time frame we use for analysis or for entry. We use them for the entry. As you can see here already, it has been consolidating, but the market has given us a clear sell trade already. So if you are going in, you should understand what I just said. Use what you know also to make profit in the market. So remain blessed for now. Don't forget to subscribe, invite, and like.